Hi. As a product manager, working with some of the best engineers in my current company and also in my past companies, I'm seeing a massive shift in what makes an engineer really valuable in 2025. Forget what you learned 2 years ago, 3 years ago. The game has completely changed. You know, in this video, I'm going to reveal the exact tech stack that actually getting engineers hired, promoted, and keeping them irreplaceable. And stick around till the end because I will share a secret that most tech leads won't tell you, and what they're looking for when they're hiring. So before we dive in, let me tell you something crazy. Last week I met this very close friend who is also a senior engineer, almost a tech lead. Told me that they spend more time in prompt engineering than actual coding. That's the reality we are living in. But here's what really, what works in 2025: the foundation layer. Let's start with what's still crucial. But trust me, this is not your typical learn JavaScript advice. I'm going to talk about something called cloud native development. And that is no longer optional. Things like AWS, Azure, and GCP. Pick one of it and master it. Infrastructure as code. IAC. Engineers who can't write Terraform or similar tools are becoming like dinosaurs. They will be instinct. Okay. If I talk about CI/CD automation, you know, but here's the twist: it's not about just about GitHub actions anymore. Let's talk about the second layer, which is the AI layer. This is where it gets interesting. The engineers are crushing it in our team who are mastering, things like LLM integration. Not just, they know how to use AI, but they're building with it. Prompt engineering. It's becoming as important as traditional coding. If I talk about vector databases, if you're not familiar with these, you're already behind. If I talk about things like AI ops, managing and monitoring AI system is that's becoming its own specialty. Let's talk about the other thing, the human layer. And here's what nobody's telling you about, but I see this, almost every week, every day. System design with AI in mind. Completely different from traditional architecture. Cross-functional collaboration skills, because AI is forcing everyone to work differently. Data-driven decision making, but with an understanding of AI limitation, right? Let me give you something, some really interesting insights. And now here's what it's going to separate the top 10% from everyone else. Hybrid development workflows, combining traditional coding with an AI, programming, pair programming, understanding business impact. Engineers who can speak both tech and business are becoming new unicorns. Security first mindset. With an AI system, security is not an afterthought anymore, right? And the last thing, right? The secret I talked about in the beginning of this video. Remember that secret I promised? Here it is. The most successful engineers I worked with in the past are not necessarily the best coders. They are the one who can, orchestrate AI tools, understand business needs, and adapt fastest to the new technologies. They are becoming tech conductors rather than just players. If you are working in technology, or you're a product manager, you need to start learn AI and do the pivot now. And here's what to do: pick one cloud platform, especially for engineers, and get certified. Start experimenting with AI tools in your current projects. Focus on understanding system design with AI components in it. You know, Drop a comment below with your biggest challenge in staying relevant in tech. I read almost every comment and I will share more specific advice based on your situations. And if this video was helpful, smash that button, like button, and subscribe for more inside tech career advice. Yeah, think about it. Till then, bye.